Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change location on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. Now you can see over here Grindr has been opened. You'll be able to browse the profiles over here. All the profiles near your location will be displayed over here. If you want to change the location, for that what you have to do is tap on this option current location. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the current location over here. Now in the map, what you have to do is simply go to the location that you want to change to. You can simply go to the desired location like this. After the pointer is in the desired location, what you can do is simply tap on this option view profiles. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to view the profile of that particular location over here. So like this, you'll be able to change the location. So that is how you change location on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.